Hey guys, Dr. Krautsack here, and today I'm going to be showing you the praying mantis exercise. This is a very simple exercise that's going to help stabilize the thoracic spine and mid-back. And so I'm going to show you a few progressions and variations that we show our clients. And this exercise is most impactful, if you will, after your adjustments, right? We like to get the kinks out of the chain first, and then strengthen and stabilize after as part of our process. And so what we're going to do first, for the basic exercise, there's basically no equipment for it, but what we're going to do, we're going to bring our arms together just like this, arms just slightly below 90 degrees. They're going to come up just a little bit, and you're just going to slightly arch your back here. So what you're doing, you're applying pressure this way, and if you have a shoulder issue, as a side note, you can use a yoga block like this as well. So some people, you'll see like this, right? You're squeezing inward, so I'm compressing the block, and then I'm arching back. So the arms are coming up a little bit, just initially to kind of get into position, and then most of it you should feel right in your rector spinae muscles, right here in the back. So very effective exercise, very practical, takes virtually no equipment, and so I am going to show you a few progressions, but if you do this exercise, do it daily, do it twice a day, you're really going to strengthen up your mid-back. It's going to help with posture, it's going to help hold everything in alignment, and just help with pain levels as well. If anything's pinching on extension, definitely stop, lighten it up, talk to us. We want to make sure you're doing it appropriately and properly first. But it's a very effective exercise that you can do virtually every day. Super easy, and once again, very low equipment. So once again, just to recap, right, we're going to bring the arms together. You're going to come up, squeeze and hold, and relax. So you can either split it up into reps where you're doing reps with the exercise, or you can split it up into multi-second holds. So you can start with 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or even 30 seconds. Bring it up and work those muscles from more of an endurance perspective. If you want to make it a little more challenging, and I say challenging, but for some people it's almost easier to do the exercise with this. What we're going to do, we're going to take an exercise band, and both my legs are going to go through the loop. If I can get there. Basically, I have the exercise band around my legs here. Just watch the skin and the hair. It can kind of pull on your hair a little bit. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the yoga block for this one. But basically, I'm going to go through the loop, put the block between my elbows and bring it up, and you can see how that applies a little bit more resistance. So this is great. So especially if you're having trouble, or you just need a little bit of help getting that activation, or if the initial exercise is just getting too easy and you want to progress, it's a great way to add a little extra resistance. So same thing, we're going to compress this way and arch the back. And down and back. And I like to kind of crunch and reset. You don't have to do that, just kind of for me mentally, I like to get back in a position, right? And that's going to help you focus on just kind of proper form, right? We're going to start here, lift the arms up slightly and extend back. Very good, and I'll show you from this position as well, right? So we're bringing the arms up, and then just a slight arch back. Very good, and that's pretty much it. For some people, I've had one or two clients use 2 yoga blocks, right? So if you have broad shoulders, or if you have shoulder pain or any kind of impingement problems, sometimes it helps to add that extra space, but the inward pressure really helps activate the thoracic spine and those rector spinae muscles. It also helps with the extension, right? So it helps to be seated. You really don't want to do this one standing. I find that being seated and utilizing the band is going to be the best way, especially if you're trying to improve that strength. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.